In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Constant Contact. In order to do that, first head over to their website, which is constantcontact.com. Just input right here their email address that you want to use and click on this Get Started for free in order to actually get over 14 days free trial with Constant Contact. Now, if you already have an account, just proceed to click onto this login option like I do. Now, here is my dashboard. And in order to create a landing page, we can need over right here to the channels, and from in there you can find landing pages. Proceed to click on that. Now this will load the landing pages campaigns as well as templates that you can actually utilize. Into this part, proceed to click onto this create a landing page, and you can choose a sign up landing page or custom landing page. On my case, let's just choose a sign up, and then this will load again in order to create a sign up form for you. As you can see, we already have a free fill design right here. So if you want, you can actually just change it to your liking, like adding some blocks like spacers, dividers, videos, and read more. And for example, you can also click onto this image in order to insert some images. So this is an example for that. So for example, let's add in here this image to this. Or you can also just click on this and edit it as well. Now onto the design, you can actually change its design altogether, like for example changing the form field labels such as the font size, font style, as well as its backgrounds and borders. So for the artwork background, let's choose in here something like blue, and as you can see here is what it will look like. You can also change this colors design, and in here you can add some more buttons if you would want. Now on the next page we have the thank you page, so you can proceed to edit that as well, and once you're done just proceed to click on continue in order to actually finish up this. So that's all there is today.